For all you Foxbody Mustang fans out there, are you ready to take your ride to the next level with better braking and stopping power? Then look no further than Baer Brakes Classic Series. Baer's Classic Series brake kits are specifically made for your Mustang, giving your Foxbody a modern upgrade without burning a hole in your wallet. Baer's got you covered with 4-lug kits that include everything you need for a seamless install. And if you're moving up to 5 lugs, Baer's also got your back. There's no need to hunt down SN95 spindles or mess with aftermarket K-members. Baer offers a kit that includes all the tools needed to simplify the process of modifying your spindles. Installing Baer brakes is a cinch. They snug onto stock spindles with minor adjustments. Baer's kit features a lightweight yet powerful 2-piston aluminum caliper paired with a 13-inch rotor that's slotted, drilled, and zinc-coated for enhanced performance and road protection. These 13-inch rotors will require a 17-inch wheel or larger. For the rear brakes, the single-piston caliper features a powder-coated finish and a built-in parking brake. These rear brake kits come complete with rear disc rotors, calipers, braided brake hoses, and mounting hardware. Plus, the calipers use common brake pads, making replacements hassle-free. Enhance your Mustang's performance with Baer brake packages designed for Foxbody Mustangs. Choose from kits in 4 or 5 lug configurations with 4 to 6 piston calipers and 11 to 16-inch rotor diameters. Baer Brakes has all you need to boost your Mustang's braking power. Discover what you need at Baer.com.